Okay, Exolon. Someone requested this. I won't say who. Um, yeah, I don't need to introduce it because it is what it is. All right, but I will tell you about a cheat if you don't know the cheat for this game. Okay, but let's have one playthrough first, and then let you, you know, I'll let you know what it is. If you, you can always skip the video. I like you care. Alright. Okay, here we go. Hopefully I won't have any controller problems. Alright, so it's about hold the fire button in, fires the rocket. You need to that's good. This is I'm using Spectrum 4 or something emulator. Anyway, yeah, so one of these controller buttons brings up a little mini menu. Alright. Get these. Wasting my grenades. Hopefully these are grenades so I can pick them up. Yep, there they go. Right, so this is that old thing where down is duck and up is jump. Or in those little teleporters, up is teleport. So it's quite easy to accidentally hit the jump if the controller is I gotta move. Yeah. So what using this controller on here is that it's not very responsive, which doesn't help me. Well, it doesn't help anyone, but especially not me because I'm not the best. Is that my spaceship up there? Yeah. So yeah, the control. I probably need to use mouse and keyboard to be honest with you. Mouse and keyboard. It's a Spectrum. Keyboards. Go and get there quick. A bit slow down. Yeah, you know, if you don't know Exolon, then you don't know Exolon. And this you have to shoot. No, this isn't helpful because my controller is really bad. It's making me look like a really bad gamer, player. Because clearly I'm very good at it, and I can't get past this now because the controller's not working. I'm trying to duck, and then he just stands up, and then I can't, and then I can't duck. Oh no. What is wrong? Why is everything goes wrong for me? Oh, enter your name. One more playthrough with the keyboard. Define the keys. Left, right, jump, duck, fight. Now I've got to have a much better chance this time, right? You'd think so, yeah? Alright. Oh, stop it. Yay! What am I doing? I'm getting carried away with myself here. Whee! I'm good at this game. Well, I'm better at it now that I've got a better... Well, I don't suppose it's the joystick's fault. It's probably the software's fault for something. Joystick. I'm using a joypad. Yeah. Oh, is that the first time I died? No, second time. Not bad. Uh-oh. Right, come on. The thing is, there's no point in waiting for things to come along in this game. You just have to keep moving. Here we go. I forgot about that. Right, much better. Much better. Go on, go for it. Yeah, that's it. Look at that, bonus points. Because I'm super skilled. So there's ammo and there's grenades. And there's that. And I never get... Can I jump this? Right. Take a run up. Oh, you silly. Oh, blimey. Okay, alright, fine. Well, I mean, that was it. It wasn't really... Okay. I'll get that, and... I mean... Do you... Yeah, you can't get past it, so you have to blow it up. To be honest with you, yeah, I'm doing as well as I used to. So it ain't that bad. Oh, come on. Oh, there's a pattern, is there? 1, 2, 1, 2. What? Ah, there you go. It does it. 1. Then it'll do it twice. 1, 2. This one. 1, 1, 1. Whoa, that was quicker. Right, here we go. Mean. I'm a mean... No, I'm not. Oh, I'll still keep it. That's good. What happened there anyway? It's like you get to the end and then you just... Yay! Super points. Do you think I can finish this? No, not with 1 life left. Getting carried away. Probably going to die on this screen. No, he didn't. Oh, he died on that screen. There you go. Exolon. Excellent. Excellent Exolon. There you go. See, look, I'm top now. Hey, I don't really need to play it anymore. Manchester United. I don't need to play it anymore now because I'm top of the leaderboard. Yep, don't need to play it anymore. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, let's tell you about the cheat code. So at first I thought it was you change the name to this thing, but you don't. You define the keys. So you define the keys, press 2, and it's basically Zorba, like Zorba the Greek, but backwards. Okay? Ros. And I believe if you can define the keys again just to get it back to... Well, let's see first of all. No, that didn't work. Okay, so maybe that wasn't it then. I'm making it all up on the spot. Right, let's die. Let's finish the game. I don't know how you quit the game. I don't think you can. You just have to wait until you're dead. Right, now let's try it again. Yeah, alright, fine. So, is it... Let's try Zorba. Ah, that was it. See, I ain't done that since like probably 1990, 1991 or something like that maybe. So it's Zorba, Z-O-R-B-A, for define keys, and then you hear that noise. Alright, so I can redefine the keys back, and then you start the game, and then let's see what happens. Yep, there you go. That's it. Hooray! I actually do something worthwhile in a video. Type Zorba as the keys. Redefine keys to Zorba. And you get 9 lives, and it doesn't, you know. You stick with 9 lives. Unlimited lives. That's basically it, isn't it? So there you are. Unlimited lives, cheat, and you get to watch me play a classic game. What more can you want? Seriously, I can't think of anything more than wanting to watch me play and feel invincible, because basically I am in this game. What better feeling can you have other than completing the game without cheating? There is no other better feeling in the world. Bearing in mind, now I play really recklessly, and because I know I know there's no pressure to stay to not lose my lives. But yeah, so you know, there you go. That's it. Exolon, ZX Spectrum. Nice music, nice sounds, nice graphics, and a cheat. Alright, cheers then, bye.